Now we are trying Ford charging cable. This is the original cable. It doesn't lock, and this is Ford. And the same port and same plug here. He has Ford Mach-E, and this is the cable he is using, the original one. Let's try if it is locking. Yeah, magic, it worked. But when I try my cable, the original Toyota cable, now this is the original Toyota cable, and we are trying it after Ford. So it didn't work. It didn't work. See, I need to push like this, and eventually it will work. Let's show you. Look, if I push, it works.